Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi A4 vs Mustang GT. Pay attention and take notes as I walk through power, comfort, and cost so you can decide which fits your life. I start with a plain summary, then show real-world examples including acceleration, cargo, and expected maintenance. I point out who benefits from each car and finish with practical advice on test drives and negotiation strategies. In this video, I will compare Audi A4 vs Mustang GT. Listen closely as I explain engine feel, braking, and steering differences that change the driving experience. I describe how torque maps, transmission choices, and chassis tuning affect real-world pull and cornering confidence. I include typical 0-60 trade-offs and practical tips for spirited driving without sacrificing daily comfort to help you choose the best performance profile. In this video, I will compare Audi A4 vs Mustang GT. Quick recommendation: I love using leak-proof containers to keep snacks and lunches safe during test drives and road trips. They seal tight and clean easily, which keeps trunks tidy. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set for commuting fun. If this helped, subscribe and like, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Audi A4 vs Mustang GT. Follow along as I unpack cabin comfort, infotainment, cargo space, and fuel economy to show everyday ownership impacts. I compare expected insurance premiums, typical service intervals, and fuel costs for commuters and weekend drivers. I also highlight resale tendencies and practicality factors like rear seat room and trunk volume, so you can weigh emotion against everyday usefulness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.